Hey guys, this is In the Kitchen with Bert and Linda again, and here's Linda.
Ta-da!
Here's the queen of the ball.
Ta-da! Hey, I like that. Ta-da!
Let's wait a minute. Let me do it again.
Ta-da! Okay.
Did y'all hear?
All right, let's get down to work.
All right.
What are we making today, Bart?
We're gonna make a meringue cookies. And all we're going to do is take meringue and then put them on a parchment paper sheet, put it in the oven for, I think you said 200 degrees for like an hour and a half. And then just let them cool back down and see what we got. But first off, we got to make the meringue, and Linda's going to tell you what we need to put in the meringue, and then we're going to then we'll mix them up. But while we mix it up, we may just let you pause and mix it, and then we'll come back and put them in the pan. Okay? So it's cloudy again today, no sunshine. But anyway, we take the bad with the good. She likes sunshine, but anyways, we just have to deal with whatever God gives us. Okay, go dear.
All right. Okay, we've got we've got 2 egg whites here. Take 2 eggs, separate them. This is the egg whites only. Okay. And we're going to get them going first. I'm going to cut you off just for a minute because it is so noisy. So hang tight and we'll bring you right back.
And show it. Okay, we just did the mixing of the egg whites. And if I take this off, I can show you guys you see how it looks really frothy in there? Can you see that? Okay.
So now we're going to start adding, okay, let me rephrase this. The recipe calls for a half a cup of sugar. Because we're making this diabetic, we're going to use the half a cup of Splendor. So the only thing in this cookie is 2 egg whites, Splendor, a little bit of vanilla flavoring, and a little bit of cream of tartar, which is this. If you don't have it, don't go out and buy it because it will work even without it. I just happen to have some on hand. So we're going to cut the mixer on and start adding this stuff in there.
And since, with me being diabetic, we're going to try to do it so that I can have some too. She's being nice to me today.
Yay!
Anyway.
Woo, woo.
It does happen every now and then, folks.
Woo, woo.
Woo, woo. All right.
All right, get the mixer going. Let's get to work.
It's going to get a little noisy, but...
Just hang tight.
Not like that.
Okay, we're going to use like a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And like I said, if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. I just happen to have it on hand. That's going to kind of stabilize those egg whites. Okay, I'm going to cut it up some.
She's going to stabilize the egg whites.
Well, actually,
She does that so they won't jump out of the pan, right?
Okay, this is a 1/4 cup of Splendor.
Excuse the noise. I can't control how loud this thing gets. She'll pour it out eventually. Splendor everywhere.
Okay.
Nope.
Turn it on up.
Woo. Airplane taking off.
Here we
go. Here we go. What land are we in? Oh, the land of Oz.
Okay, that's it.
We riding high. We riding high. She says that's it, so I'm gonna cut it off.
Take it down. Okay,
You see all the. You can see where all the
meringue
is sitting at the top. I wonder in French they used to say Meringue. I don't know, but anyway, we call it meringue here.
Oh,
All right,
no.
guys.
Okay, let me explain something about the sugar. If you use sugar, take the granulated sugar that you have, and if you have some way like a little blender or something to basically crush it up to make it finer, do that instead, because that way, because granulated sugar is harder to mix with egg whites. It'll have a gritty type consistency to it. So that's why I think I like using Splenda better, because it's already fine. Fine.
Fine as wine.
Fine. All right,
On a
we're gonna
happy
put
day.
Bert to work now. He's gonna scoop out these cookies. So hold on a minute while I get the scooper. Okay. We're
Okay,
back.
here's the meringue in the bowl. And here's a little scooper. We're gonna try to do it with a little scooper.
This is a scooper we use to make sausage balls with. So normally they mash your thing.
I did. It ain't going.
Not working.
It's not gonna work.
Okay.
All right.
All right, hold on a minute.
Plan.
Okay, after thinking about it, we decided to just go ahead and scoop it. And he's going to, what you gonna do?
We're gonna try to pipe it into our plate.
Oh, here it goes. I'm sorry. You can't see what I'm doing. There we go. This is how he does deviled eggs. He makes all the deviled eggs around here. And this is how he does the filling on the inside of the eggshell. Not eggshell. What do you call that?
If y'all can't see what I'm doing, it's because she's not holding the camera
Sorry.
correctly. So anyways.
They should be delicious and nutritious. I tell you how this all got started, us making meringue cookies. My son Kevin, the other day I made him a key lime pie with the meringue on it. And as he was going out the door, he says, "Mama," he said, "I love the key lime, but I like the meringue better." I said, "You want me to make you a meringue pie? Just meringue?" So I told him that's all you need is some meringue cookies. Oh, he liked that idea.
All right, now we're gonna close this up.
So that's how the meringue cookies are being made.
If I can close it.
Get your hair out. That's all right. We're going to cut a hole. You never do more.
Put the hole up here.
You want this side or that side?
This side, because I want away from that.
Okay. How big a hole you want?
I think you want a small.
Like that?
Go up a little bit. Right there. I think.
Okay. Okay. So here it goes.
All right, let's see what we got. Folks, this is going to be, who knows how this is going to turn out. Can you hold the paper down?
Make them small.
Is that big enough?
That small. Yeah.
I think we need twice that much.
Well, what I'm seeing, they're about that big. Because you're supposed to make about 24 cookies.
This is an experiment, guys. Just hold with us.
Each one of these cookies is made with lube. I like that. Okay. Let me say you can make all kinds of designs with this meringue.
Y'all just follow us because we don't know what we're doing either. We're just trying this. Experimental here. This is a first.
I tell you what my mama used to say, if a pie or cake was messy, that meant it was tasted even better. What did your mama say?
I don't know, because I was in the field working when she and my sister were in the kitchen. I was out in the field working.
Yeah, I married a farm boy. The city girl meets farm boy. And my comment is he likes the dirt road and me, where's the cement? Okay, do some over there. How much more you got?
I don't know.
And if you want to, if you make these for Easter, if you want these for Easter, dye them. Put a little food color on, make them pink and blue and yellow. Wait, don't put no more on the cookie. I'm trying to keep making another cookie.
Look, another cookie where?
Drop it down in there. You're going to squish it on down. Here. So how are y'all today? Wait a minute. Swish it, take it and run it on down. Put them up here. And then drop one right there. Okay. Count. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We got about 20-ish. We're going to guesstimate. And
Okay, guys, you can see where see where our meringue is. Now we got to put it in the oven and just let it cook. So while we're doing that, we're going to stop, you guys, then we'll come back. What?
Oh, don't. You fix it, knock it off.
Excuse me.
Hey.
Let the pro at work.
Hey, keep your hands off that camera. Where is that boy? Let me teach you
I'm finishing out the
Keep your
meringue.
hand.
Good.
I promise you won't be eating that. All right. Oh, Lord. Okay.
Okay, guys, we're back, and we've got our little muffins. Our creation is here. This is the meringue cookies, and they're light, airy, and they've got a very just a sweet taste for people that like to have a touch of sweets, but
they're like
no calories.
they're so light. It's just like air.
It's like a breath of air.
Yeah, there used to be some sort of popcorn that was salt, airy like this. You remember that?
No.
Years ago. I mean, they're very, very light. No calories. Again, it's 2 egg whites.
But they're very crumbly, I'll tell you that.
They're 2 egg whites and a half a cup of, we use Splendor. Now, if I were going to do it again, I would cut back on the Splendor. To me, they're a little bit
too sweet.
But you got some on you. But anyway, there they are. They're meringue cookies.
This is meringue cookies, and this is diabetic friendly, and because there's nothing in them that's going to hurt anybody diabetic, but they give you a taste of sweet without the ill effects. Hope you have a great day, and remember, God loves you, and so do we.
So don't forget.
Like, subscribe, thumbs up, and share out our channel. And y'all, hope to see you guys soon. Take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.